In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Word to PDF in iLove PDF. First, let's start by opening iLove PDF. To do this, simply navigate to your preferred web browser and type in the address for iLove PDF. Once the page loads, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface designed to simplify your PDF tasks. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything we will do next. You're now ready to utilize the powerful tools available on iLove PDF. Now that iLove PDF is open, it's time to select the Word to PDF option. Look for the various tools displayed on the homepage. You will find a specific option labeled Word to PDF. Clicking on this will direct you to the appropriate section. This step is important because it clearly indicates the task you are about to perform, ensuring that you're on the right track in converting your Word documents to PDF format. Next up, we need to upload your Word files, which can be in .doc or docx format. You will see an upload button on the page. Clicking it will open your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to the location where your Word files are saved. Select the files you want to convert. You can choose multiple files at once if needed. This makes it easier to manage your documents, saving you time later on. Once selected, click Open to upload them to the site. After the files are uploaded, it's time to click Convert to PDF. This button is typically located right next to the file upload area. When you click it, the conversion process begins. You will see a progress indicator as the files are being processed. This step is essential because it transforms your Word documents into a universally accessible format. Once the conversion is complete, you will see a confirmation appear on the screen. Now it's time to download the converted PDF files. After the conversion finishes, a download button will appear. Click on this button to save the newly created PDF files to your device. Be sure to choose a location that is easy for you to remember, like your desktop or a specific folder. This is an important step, as having your files saved correctly allows for easy access later. With your PDF files ready, go back to iLove PDF and open Merge PDF. Return to the main interface of iLove PDF and locate the Merge PDF option. Click on it to enter the merging section. This step is crucial because it allows you to combine multiple PDF files into one cohesive document. Having all your content in one file makes sharing and organizing much simpler. Next, upload all the converted PDF files. Just like before, you'll find an upload button that lets you select the PDFs you just downloaded. Click on it and choose all the PDF files you want to merge. Selecting multiple files at once will speed up this process. This is a vital step because it prepares your documents for merging, ensuring everything you need is in one place. After uploading, arrange the files in the order you want. You will see thumbnails of each PDF you uploaded. Simply drag and drop them to reorder as needed. This is important because the order of the files will affect how they appear in the final document. Once you have arranged them to your satisfaction, you're ready for the next step. Now click Merge PDF. This button is usually located at the bottom of the page. Once clicked, the merging process will begin, combining your files into a single PDF document. You will see a progress bar indicating the status. This step ensures that all your selected documents are merged properly, providing a seamless reading experience. Finally, download your combined PDF. After the merging process is complete, a download button will appear. Click it to save your new combined PDF file to your device. Make sure to save it in a location that is easy for you to access later. This final step wraps up the process, confirming that your hard work has paid off and your documents are now unified.